Hi friends, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? This is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel. Now in this session, today we are going to discuss such a good examination, different type of model questions based on Euclid division lemma. In previous videos, we have to completed 4 marks question about Euclid division lemma, cube of positive, even, odd, any conditions also we completed successfully in our previous videos. Today, I have to tell you some hard question, higher order thinking skills question. In that, the question will be, see the word, find the largest number that will be divide 546, 437 and 400, leaving the remainders are 19, 12, 19 respectively. What is the number? I think I have to ask the largest number of any three numbers are given. We have to do generally in previous knowledge HCF, but here remainders are given. In such cases, we have to do in process. The process I will tell you. 546 is given one number, 437 and 400 are divided by the divided by the required number. The remainders are 19, 12 and 9 respectively given in the question, dear friends. These are the numbers are divided by the required number, and the remainders are 19, 12, 9 respectively. In this way, we have to do subtract of first number, first remainder, second number, second remainder will be 12, third number 400, fourth remainder, third remainder will be 9. We have to do subtract it. Then 546 minus 19. What we are getting? 546. Now simple. 527. Here. Now 437 minus 12. Simple. We have to write 425. Now 400 minus 9. We have to get 391. After subtracting of these three remainders from these three numbers, what are the getting terms? We have to find its HCF by using Euclid division lemma. Now, HCF of 527, 425, 391. You can choose, my dear friend, any two numbers. Your wish, you will get the same answer. Now I am choosing these first two numbers. Okay. Now, if you have to find out LHC of this condition, first we have to go general method. General method is what, friends? Here 527, right? Here 425 will divide the 5 1 okay. Now 425, the remainder will be 102. It will come to as a dividend 425. You know the process, previous classes we have done. Now 124 102 8 0 408. The remainder will be here 17. Now this will come as a dividend 102, 17 6 102. Remainder will be 0. This is our HCF of our general method. Same that method I have to apply here. Let us see. Now 527, here 425. 425 into 1. 425 into 1 plus remainder 1. Yes, divisional algorithm condition I am applying. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same concept. Now here what is the big number? 425. It becomes to dividend. What is the remainder here? 102. 102 becomes here divisor. 102. 102 into 4 plus remainder 70. Here. Now a big number 102. So what is the remainder? 17. 17 6 102 remainder 0. We are getting remainder 0. This is the divisor will be the yes. Therefore, HCF of 527 425 is 17. Now, dear friends, I request to you, you can solve these two or these two. You will get 100% 17 only. Therefore, we can write divide. Therefore, the required number will be here. What is the HCF? That is our required number, which is divisible by these three numbers. Right. This model is very important for you. What I have done, just recall 5 seconds. Three numbers are giving the reminders, three different reminders, 19, 12, 9. To find the what is the number, what is the largest number, we will divide these three numbers exactly. These three numbers are subtracted from the three leaving reminders. What we are getting? The terms we have to find HCF concept. What is the HCF? By using Euclid division lemma, the HCF value will be the required number of which is divided by these three numbers exactly. Means giving the reminders 19, 12, 9. Right? Now let us see one more good question. The important question for you. If D is the HCF of 45 and 27, find x comma y satisfying the condition. D is already he said, he mentioned here, it is the HCF of these two numbers. That D will be satisfied the RHS condition also. What is the RHS condition? 25x plus 45y. What is x, what is y? We should find. Now, the condition I have to take it here. Solution. Now, let D is what? D is the HCF. HCF of 45 and 27. Which means we have to find HCF. Now 45, the 27 will be divided 27 to the 54. It will cross over the 45. That is the reason we should take 1. 27 1 ja. 27. What is the remainder? Yes, you should guess it. Yes, you are right. 18. Now 27 is the largest number. Take it as a dividend. Now 18 becomes 2 divisor. 18 1 ja 18 here also because 18 to the 36 it is crossover. 18 1 ja 18 nearest number of 27. Now what is the remainder? 9. Take the 18 is a common. Here 9. 9 to 18, remainder will be 0. So this is called HCF. That is the D value here, 9. What is the D value here? 9. Right? Now friends, this 9 value will satisfy the RHS condition. Now, here this LHS is 9. RHS is both are having coefficient more than of 9. So you can go trial and error method. Compulsory value should be negative. So in such cases, I have to go now trial and error. So, in mathematics, many methods are there. Deductive method, inductive method. Inductive method, we should go trial and error method, then we will get the answer. The inductive method, I should apply here. For suppose, I should take first value, x is positive, more than 1. Now, y value, negative, minus 1. So, what you should apply here? 27 of 2 plus 45 of minus 1. 27 2 is of 54. Clear, friends? Plus into minus 45, 1 is 45. 54 minus 45, 9. So LHS equals to RHS. Now, hence we get the answer. Now x equals to which condition it will be satisfied? X equals to 2, y equals to minus 1. This condition will be satisfied. Now I hope that you have to understand these two good models for in the examination area, coming examination area. These are the two important models for you, my dear friends. To practice these models and take any other variable also, you can try it. You strengthen your subject. Till then, practice our previous videos also. Because I requesting you, I suggesting it to you, you have to see the videos in sequence order. Then you can understand it easily. Because if you learn 2 table, 3 table, then 6 table will be there. If you learn 5 table, 10 table, 20 table will be there. Now it will be easy for you. So that you can see in sequence order, then it will be useful for you. And do you have any doubts? You comment me, I will respond to you immediately. Till then, practice well. Thank you very much.